Head to Dollar Tree and pick up a splash screen. Pick up a napkin holder and a little round mirror too. At home, flip your screen over and remove the screw holding the handle and label in place. Take that outside and give it a good coat of paint in your favorite color. Add 3 dots of hot glue to the feet on the back of the mirror. Place it in the center of the screen and let the glue dry. Add some glue to the bottom of your napkin holder as well and place that on the opposite side of the screen. Take it to your bathroom or wherever you like to get ready in the mornings, and you'll find you have an easy-to-make, beautiful display for your jewelry.
To begin, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to glue all around the base of the paper towel holder, and I'm also going to add some glue into the cake pan as well and push it down nice and hard and let the hot glue set. Then I'm going to take these super soft microfiber towels that I picked up in the auto section at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut a slit directly in the middle and place it over top of the paper towel holder, and I'm going to add some glue into the bottom of the cake pan and then press the towel down into the glue, making sure that I get it into the edges and the sides as well. Then I'm going to take the towel and I'm going to glue it around to the bottom of the cake pan as well, working little bits at a time, going around the entire cake pan. Once I have it all glued down, I'm going to take some fabric scissors and I'm going to cut off the excess microfiber towel. Once that is all cut off, we are going to cover the paper towel stand. So I'm going to cut a piece of microfiber towel that is going to fit directly around the paper towel holder. So I'm going to apply glue on directly onto the towel, and then I'm just going to wrap it around and I'm going to cut off the excess. I'm also going to add glue in any areas where it's not sticking properly to make sure that it's fully stuck to the metal paper towel holder. Next, I'm going to take this paint roller that I picked up at Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to cut a slit into the top and bottom of it. Now, it was a little hard to get my X-Acto knife through, so I actually ended up using a wood burner because this is plastic on the inside, not a cardboard one. So I'm just going to cut a slit through top and bottom, and then I'm going to shove it onto the paper towel holder about halfway down. And then I'm going to take another microfiber towel and I'm going to cut a little slit right in the middle, and I'm going to slide that over the paper towel holder as well. And then I'm going to glue this onto the paint roller. So I'm going to wrap it around and glue it into place. I'm going to take a second paint roller and I'm going to slide it on as well, but I'm just going to stop at the top, and then I'm going to cover this one in a microfiber towel as well. I do shove the ends of the towel into the paint roller just to give it a nice finished look. I'm going to glue this one in place, and then our jewelry stand is complete. I love the cozy, comfy vibes that this jewelry stand offers, and it is a quaint little place to store my most precious jewelry.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make something out of a picture frame. I got this in the dollar store. It's a 5" by 7". I've taken out the glass and the mat because I don't need that, but I do need the backing board with the stand removed. So I used a pair of scissors and very carefully prized it off the back, so I'm left with this board. I'm also going to be using some foam rollers. I have here some velvet which is sticky backed and the backing board. And the first thing I have done is to draw around the board. Okay, here's my velvet, the exact same size as the board. I'm now going to stick this to the board, but I'm going to put the side that had the stand attached to it on the bottom, and I'm going to stick this on the top. So you just peel away the backing sheet and line it up and smooth it down as you go. This is the easiest way to do it. Take off the backing sheet gradually as you stick it down. The next thing I do is taking the velvet again, place the frame on the velvet on the back and measure that size and cut that piece out too. Okay, here's my velvet piece cut out now, but before I stick it to the underside here, I have put inside the backing board that we already covered with the velvet. Lay that down so that it's away from this edge, and then taking the velvet, we're just going to stick it to the frame at the moment. And that is now stuck to the velvet. Next, we're going to take 3 of the rollers and 2 of the middle posts, and putting the plastic posts inside like that, we're going to thread the foam rollers on top, and the posts are just there to hold it in place. And then taking again more of the sticky back velvet, I'm going to measure out a piece of velvet that will cover these rollers completely, and then cut that out. Okay, I've got my piece of velvet cut out now, but before I do anything further, I'm going to make sure that these rollers fit inside my frame, and 3 fit quite perfectly here. So here is my velvet cut out. I'm going to place the foam rollers on the velvet and just roll that over, joining it at the other end, and it will stick to itself. I have made 2 sausages with the rollers, and they fit really nicely inside. Now, if you feel that they don't, if they're bunching up a little bit, which can happen because of the velvet, you just literally trim the ends, but mine fit quite nicely. And I'm just going to lay down a little bit of glue here. Not a lot, but just enough so that the sausages stay in place. And then put them in, press them down. And I now have a ring cushion like this. Now you can make more, you could make the whole thing for rings, but I want to have a part that I can throw in a little necklace or something. The final step, I have stuck 4 little wooden beads on the corners as feet, and I use super glue to stick those on. And here is my cute little jewellery catch-all. What a great gift idea, made from a picture frame and some hair rollers. I really hope you've enjoyed this episode and I have inspired you to have a go.
Next time you're at Dollar Tree, grab one of these 6-packs of mini plastic cups. Just open the pack, grab your hot glue gun, and put 3 small dots of glue along the side of one cup. Press another cup right up against it, lining them up evenly, and hold for a few seconds. Then, you just keep repeating that same step until all 6 cups are connected. That's it. Once you're done, you'll have this really cute arched organizer that works in so many places around your home. I'm using mine in the bathroom to neatly organize toiletries and accessories, but it would also be perfect for makeup, craft supplies, or even a desk. All made with plastic cups and hot glue from Dollar Tree. Simple, budget-friendly, and actually cute.